day to you guys. I'm Victor Palacios. First, let me just apologize for the long delay in posting the video. Be rest assured, I have several tutorial videos that I'll be posting very soon, including some tricks and tips of the trade that I'll be sharing with you on this video right now. Let's go. You're probably wondering, what tip of the trade does Victor have for us today? And upon looking at this item, you've probably thought I've lost my mind. This unrelated jewelry item will transform the way you hold your tools. I have a shop here in West Texas, and we stay pretty busy offering on-the-spot jewelry repair and watch repair and custom engraving. And we need to get our tools pretty fast. Things move pretty quickly here. So what you are looking at here is a mop and a broom clamp. And this will hold your tools, it will hold your mandrels, or any type of tool that you can get in there. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Well, I bet things are starting to seem a little more clear now. I have these clamps screwed on my stump here, on my jeweler's bench, and all around my shop. They will hold any variety of tools from hammers, mandrels, watch tools, and you probably have some stuff that will work that I haven't even tried yet. But let me just give you a quick sample of the tools you can use with this clamp. Hammer, mandrel, mallet, watch tools, heavy tools, metal cutter, bolt cutter, and the list goes on. Well guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, but what I really hope is that I was able to help make your life just a little bit easier. And as I said prior, I'll be posting more tutorials very soon, so please comment and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.